Hi, I'd like to take a moment to introduce myself. My name is Leon Harper. I'm with the Premier Houses team of Triad Realty. I am an affiliate of the UPNEST real estate team, and just wanted to send a quick message out to you to let you know that I've submitted a proposal for your property. Take your time to look it over. If you have any questions, you can call me directly. You can also text or email. And if you rather we do COVID practices where we can go ahead and just do a Zoom meeting or FaceTime or Facebook Messenger, we've got all of it. So, I'm sure you're aware of what, market has and hasn't been doing for the last few years here in the Pacific Northwest. There hasn't been any inventory, but my goal is to sit here and maximize what you get for your home and save you money because, your home is your investment. So take time to look it over. As you can see behind me by the picture, I was in military, retired out of the Air Force Reserves, but it wasn't a 9 to 5 business, and real estate isn't a 9 to 5 business either. I believe after 5 and on weekends is when it all gets done. So if you're looking for somebody that gets it done, give me a call. Look forward to hearing from you.